In this video tutorial, I show you how to edit the Google Drive documents that we're using for both the Resource 3B activity, which is the uploading of an imagination reference, and the Resource 4B activity, which is the uploading of a creativity reference. So this video is showing you how to put your entry into alphabetical order. So I'm going to show you a very simple editing technique in the Google Sheet that allows you to add your reference into the right alphabetical order, knowing that or remembering that in APA your reference list is in alphabetical order. Okay, so if you go into, for instance, week 3 and scroll down to where the resource is, so it's under resources, and I'm going to click on Resource 3B, List of Imagination References via Google Drive. And when I open up this document, it brings up the document that many people have already very successfully added to. Now, one of the requirements of this task is to try and add your entry in an alphabetical way so that we can maintain a sort of robust APA reference list. Now, for some of you, you've used this before. For some of you, it's very new to you. So, it may take a few goes. It may be that you need a little bit more training on it. But really, it's about trying to develop your skills in using some of this online Web 2 technology that you can use not only in this unit, but you may even want to use for your assignment 2 and your assignment 3. And certainly, you'll be able to use it when you're out there as a teacher. So, if I wanted to add a reference in here, so you'll see on line 3 there's a Chromie, and on line 4 there's a reference by Dexter. So I am going to pretend that I have got a reference and the first author's surname is Dark, D-A-R-K. So that obviously sits between Chromie and Dexter. So I want to add a line in between these two entries so that I can put in my reference. The easiest way to do it is you'll notice down the left hand side here you've got the numbers of the lines. What you want to do is highlight a whole line where you want to put a new line above it. So line 4 in this case is the Dexter entry, and I want my entry to go above that because it's Dark, D-A-R-K, so that it comes first in an alphabetical list. So if you click on the number once, you'll notice that it actually highlights the entire line, and that goes on for forever and a day, for as big as the sheet is. Once it's highlighted, making sure that your mouse is still hovering over that number, if you right click with your mouse, you'll see that you have a number of options, and one of them is insert one above, and that means insert one line above. So if I click on that, you will see that I now have an extra line in between Chromie and Dexter. And then if you just click anywhere in that line, you'll see that the highlight goes. And now I can add my entry into that, knowing that it's sitting in alphabetical order.